In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Notion to better organize or highlight your content. Whether you want to color code sections or simply improve readability, this quick tutorial will help. Let's get started. First, go to notion.com and sign into your account so you can access your pages and team spaces. Then, click on the team space or page where you want to change the background color. Next, hover over the section or block you want to change and you'll see 6 dots appear on the left. This is the block menu. Click on those 6 dots, then choose color from the menu that appears. Finally, select the background color you prefer, like yellow, blue, or any available option, and the block will instantly update. Bonus tip: use light background colors for text-heavy sections to keep things readable and bold colors to draw attention to headers or important notes. And that's how you change the background color in Notion. If this was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more easy tutorials. See you next time!